Alright, so rebuild video number 1. We got cab corners, rockers, floor pans, kick panel, cab support. Same on the other side. Trying to get rid of some of this rust. Oh, the rust. Doors, fenders. Some of this still looks pretty good. Hood staying, core support staying, bumper staying. This fender's going. That's salt. That's what it does. Just rots it out. A little grindy grind. A little fill. And we'll be good to go. Solid. Woohoo! Also going to be adding in the overdrive, pulling out the seats, taking this whole back end apart, sandblasting the frame. Everything's getting painted back to the original color, which I don't even know if I have any visible. Oh, there you can see it, right there. Funky, funky green. Anyway guys, stay tuned for more as we start to rebuild the old K10. Also new tires and wheels too. Part 1.